Hey guys, to check in online with Lufthansa, first of all, check your email. If Lufthansa sent you a notification or an email that you need to check in now, or you can check in now, because if they didn't send it, probably you won't be able to do that check-in. But regardless, go ahead to the Lufthansa app, okay? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and add the booking ID, or excuse me, booking and check-in right here. Add the booking reference, first name and last name, or travel ID, okay? And yeah, you can follow the prompts to select your seat and add extras if needed. Once confirmed, you can receive your boarding pass as PDF or via email, okay? They will send you an email of your boarding pass, a copy of it, and also inside the app, if they have it, most flights do, most apps basically do, you'll be able to add your boarding pass as a wallet, okay? You can add it to your Apple wallet, okay? So yeah, as a digital wallet. And check-in is open from 30 hours before departure. So bear that in mind. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.